Hey, Mom Stylist here. I just want to go over a quick tip on getting the like a professional blow dry look without using a round brush. So I got these at Sally Beauty Supply. They come in tons of different sizes for my hair length and kind of the look that I want. This is the size I like to use. I do secure them with a duckbill clip, or you can use a bobby pin. It doesn't matter. I'll be using both. The most important thing is just sectioning and also using some type of heat source before you put in the rollers. So I'm just going to use my 1-inch flat iron to heat up the piece of hair first before I roll down the curler, and I will be letting them set for just like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So I like to do the top always going back because I feel like it gives you more volume. I don't like to do it alongside of a part. So I like to start with this very, very back section. And I just like to make sure I comb it really smooth. I take my flat iron in, and it's a pretty big chunk of hair, probably like 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And I just roll it through a couple times just to heat up the hair. That's all I'm trying to do is heat up the hair. What's nice about these rollers is they're not going to pull your hair out. It's almost like a brush, but I go all the way to the ends. Roll it nice and smooth. And like I said, I like to secure it with a bobby pin or duckbill clip. I'm just going to do a bobby pin. Just as a little bit of an anchor, but you have to be very careful because you don't want to get a line in there. I do like to apply just a little bit of dry aerosol hairspray on it. And again, I love Aveda Control Force. I leave my bang out. And it's okay if some of the pieces start to fall off. You're just really just trying to give a really voluminous roundness in the actual mid shaft of the hair. And the mid shaft is the middle section. So on the sides, because I do wear a longer bob or a lob, I like to roll the sides back. Because what it does is when you pull it out, then it gives this nice kind of sweeping motion, where if I just go in and do this way, it's kind of more of like a weenie roll. And so I will show you the direction I do. And again, I actually have my whole entire side section from my ears forward. Just go heat up the hair a little bit. So you can see I have it in vertical and I'm rolling it this way. So it's up and down. I'm going to finish rolling my head and then we'll come back to what it looks like. So I have my whole head rolled. This is when I like to let it sit about 5 minutes. I can do my makeup, or you could go drink your coffee or finish getting dressed. But I'm going to show you what the back looks like. So I ended up doing just one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. So I only have 8 rollers in my head. And so I also blow dried my bangs before I started doing the rollers in the technique that I have on a different video with a tutorial of how to do blow drying a sweep. So I did that technique, but you also could just curl them or use your flat iron. I don't like rolling them just because I think it gives it too much volume. So then you're just gonna remove the curlers. And again, I use bobby pins on mine. Like I said, these curlers are great because they don't pull out your hair where traditional Velcro rollers do. So then what I like to do is take any type of comb, or I like to use a wide toothpick, and I just comb it through. And you can see it gives a really nice round look, like I spent 20 minutes round brushing it, where it probably took me 10 minutes to do the whole process. And then you can spray your bangs and your roots, or put in any type of texturizing powder, which I do. But that is your finished look. I'll show you the back. Thanks for watching, Mom Stylist.